Hello everybody. So today I have an error. So when I try to update my Parrot OS, so I got an error, right? So it was telling me the signature could not be verified because the public key is not available. No public key. So it was GPG. So here from documentation from Parrot OS, so it was telling us to use uh, this step to verify the repo, but this is kind of old, so it didn't work. So here I tried it, right? I tried doing the same process, but it didn't receive the key. So just for hint, there is no GPZ, so you need to use GPZ1, so it's like version 1. So when you try to do this step, it won't work. I told you, like, it's old. Now the solution was this simple command. Here you need to replace this command, this key, with whatever you are getting error with here. So simple command, this is the simple command. I will paste that link in description. So after executing this, it will update itself. So let me show you. Sudo apt get update, right? So now it's not showing an error. Thank you guys.